Hi, welcome to Crafting with Inky Images. My name is Karen Hayden, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Greenwood, Indiana. And this weekend, Stampin' Up! Will be hosting a virtual event for demonstrators called OnStage at Home. I'm so excited to be a part of this event because I will get a chance to review product and see new project ideas that will be coming from the January through June mini catalog along with the celebration brochure. Now, when I signed up for this opportunity, I was able to order a swag box which just arrived, and I wanted to show you what's inside the box. So let's get started. I'm going to move this out of the way. And the first thing in the swag box is a exclusive grid paper that I can use when I'm creating my cards. And then there's a really neat Stampin' Up! Bag. It says Stampin' Up! Established in 1988, and it's really cute. It's a burlap bag, and it should hold lots of supplies. Here are some pencils that were in the swag box, and if I had to guess, I would say these pencils are showing the design of the new Specialty Designer Series paper that is going to be in the new catalog. And then they included a cute notebook so that I can take lots of notes and share everything with my Stampin' Up! Customers. They also included some 3 collectible pins, and demonstrators like to collect this and trade pins at different events. And then the last thing that was in the swag box is this new stamp set called In the Moment. And it shows a lady just relaxing in different pictures. And it says, "You're in my thoughts. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax. And you're always so good to others. Be good to yourself too." And I love these sentiments because I have so many friends that I can design a card with these sentiments and send them the card. So stay tuned, because I'll have lots to share with you after this weekend's event. In the meantime, have a great week and happy stamping.